Hey, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. Market just opened up 3 minutes ago and thought I'd capture some live trading. Haven't done a video yet this week of live trading. So here we are, up $66 on the day. Traded fold a little bit. Have a couple fishing orders out there. So that is where the day currently stands. I will keep you updated. All right, I picked up some shares short at 1861. I scaled out of 100 at 1851. Scaled out some more there. Let's see if I can get some at 41. Got those. And I'll let the remainder of these work for me. Let's see, this high right here is 1851. So if it goes up there, I'm just going to use a mental stop loss. I'll get out. So if it breaks 1850, I am out. Can it break through that big level? Yep, there it went. So out there at 1851. So there we go. Probably start again here to build another position. See what happens. Let's see. If it can get up to 1875, I will go re-short again. But let's see what else happens out there. Again, why did I use that mental kind of stop loss? Well, last thing I want to do is just get a little cheap shot where the computers perhaps see my order out there and then go grab it real quick. But in this case, especially when it's still the opening part of the day, just went with the mental, and when it got up to that area, just decided to hop out. But still, like I said, my initial position was at 1861, so even on those last 200 shares, still able to get out 10 cents. So a nice little quick trade there. I'm actually trying to go long here now at 1835. So I'm in long, and we'll start to scale out a little bit if I can get any sort of bounce. So let's see what happens with that. Okay, I wasn't sure if I still had those other, and I'd be happy to build a bigger position. I like the pullback here within this strength. So let's see what happens here. See if it can pop back up above 1840. I did not get any of those shares out. So it popped up there, but didn't get hit any on the offer. Pick up 300 more at 1815 if it can get down there. And some more at 1801. Like I said, I have no problem building a bigger position into this pullback here. The overall context is bullish. And I will pause it. I'll keep you updated. Okay. Just scaled out a couple there at 38 and 39. Got my 42s. Got my 45s. And okay, I'm all out of that one now. GES 102. Looking at RTRX, so let's bring up that one now. Been watching that chart while I was kind of keeping an eye on the level 2s. So have an order at 2125 to go short. 500 shares. So let's see if it can get up there or not. I should probably take a look at Visa today. They did a forward split. So, all right, well, it looks like it's not going to pop up there like I wanted it to. So I'm just going to cancel that, or well, give it one more try. See if it can get up there or not. I was looking for more of a surge up there, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. Sorry about that. Had a relatively shaky trade there on WSM. Still pulled $31 out of it, but that was actually more of a risk mitigation type trade. which I had to be pretty focused on, so I just never really got the video rolling again because I was kind of locked in and making sure nothing spun out of control, but it actually rolled over here. And I potentially, in hindsight now, sold a little too soon, but it is what it is. I see other ones moving, so let's keep going. Going for some shares here short at 19.15 if it can break through the round number here. So let's see if it can push up through 19. If it does, I'm hoping for a surge upwards very quickly, and then on the snap back down, hope to lock in some profits. But first, obviously, got to break through the round number of 19. So let's see if it can do that. I'd like to try to capture this one completely on the video since I missed the last one. So let's see, can it break through 19 here? As would be expected, that round number presenting quite a bit of resistance. If it does break through 19, it's going to set off some of the other shorts stop losses, and that's going to quickly surge it upwards. But that's why those shorts have their stop loss right above there, because it's not able to push above. All right, I'm going to keep looking around. Have an order in on CNDO at 431. Who knows if we'll get down there or not, but that's a fishing order I'll keep out there. All right, well, I try to go for 100 shares on, what is this, ESPR. Only got 45, so it started to go in my favor, so I just canceled it and went with 45 shares. So I got myself $19.80. Kind of stinks since it was just a partial fill up there, but it is what it is. But $19.80 on ESPR thanks to that partial fill. But you can see I actually made, what is that, about 44 cents on those. But it was because that partial fill, but hey, that happens. Okay, I'm in some shares here at, I shorted some shares here at, I'm scaling out here. So it looks like all out there. So I shorted 500 shares at 54.34 and then covered, as you saw there when I got the video rolling again, just scaled out 100. And I was playing the spread, so I just gradually moved it down and played that spread, but want to get back into the game on this one. So let's see if it can pop up some more to 54.70. I'll start to build another position there. There we go. So we'll look to scale some out at 55 and 51. Very, very overextended. So got all those ones out. And final one out there at 54. So another trade there. Let's see if I can start rebuilding the position. Got another fishing order out there now at 55.25. That's where I'd like to start rebuilding the position, or fading it, whatever you want to call it. So we'll see what happens with that. I'll keep you updated. Okay, let's see if we can break 55. I did adjust my order up a little bit to 55.39. It should pop pretty quickly if it can break through that round number of 55. I'll try to capture the break, but no promises. Well, it is 10 a.m. Eastern time exactly, up 3:51 on the morning, so a nice little morning session here. I'm going to wrap things up as the video is kind of dragging out anyways at this point, but if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts, not necessarily looking to sell within a few seconds like I am, but that's a great thing about charts, whether you're looking to sell within a few seconds, a few minutes, a few hours, a few days, charts can be applied to any sort of strategy. It's just a matter of kind of how you tweak them, but that's the versatility of charts. So if you're interested in learning how to use charts in your trading, you can check out my site, claytrader.com. I offer multiple premium training courses. Also have a private trading group where I hang out in the chat room. Some of these plays that you've seen, I've alerted to the chat room as I've done them. So you can check that out. But if you want everything, kind of the whole kit and caboodle in one package, all my courses, lifetime membership to my trading group, check out Clay Trader University. Again, all of that found at claytrader.com. And then down below, one of the big questions I always get is, how do I find the stocks that I trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to find those stocks, and that's all free, so you can click on that link down below if you want to get that free resource guide. So thank you for watching. Hopefully it helped you out, and get out there and trade without emotion.